of you. So today we are going to take up u by v formula. My previous video was on uv. Now this is the quotient rule. Okay, let's see what exactly the quotient rule is. Okay, and please see the video till the end, because all difficult questions come towards the end of the video always. So let us start. Supposing we have an expression in the form u by v. Okay, in the form u by v, then differentiation of u by v with respect to x. How do we do it? First, now this is something, it will be little difficult. This is going to be little difficult to remember. First write the v, that means the denominator, and then do du by dx minus, here there is a minus sign, write the u, do dv by dx, that is differentiate the denominator with respect to x, differentiate the numerator with respect to x. This v and this u will just be copied, and here you write v square. This will not be differentiated straight from here, it will be copied. So once we do a sum, you will know what exactly I mean. Y is equal to 2 to the power x by x. This is u, this is v. So dy by dx is, now you have to recognize, yes, this is u by v. Okay, this is something divided by something. Then what we have to do? V. V is, we just write it. And then here 2 to the power x log 2. Okay. Minus. Now u. U I have to write just straight and differentiate this. Don't differentiate 1 by x. Okay, differentiate x. And then here I'll write 1 x square. So 2 to the power x, x log 2 minus 1 by x square. That is my answer. Okay, so that is my answer for this sum. Let's see the next question. I'll keep writing this formula so that it's easier. Whenever you do this sum, you should have this formula written in front of you. Y is equal to e to the power x by 1 plus x. How do you do this? Dy by dx. Clearly this is u by v. First write the v. Okay. First write the v 1 plus x. Then differentiate the u. Minus. Put the minus sign. Then write the u. And differentiate the v, which comes to a 1. And 1 plus x whole square. Don't write 1 plus x square. Okay. And that gives us, here I can see e to the power x cancelling. Yes, e to the power x minus e to the power x. So what I get is x e to the power x. Do this little bit of simplification. Don't leave it incomplete. So this is our final answer. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Y is equal to, so we'll start with the differentiation here, dy by dx. How to do this? Dy by dx. Now first we'll have to write the v, x plus 2, and then differentiate the other one plus 3 and put a minus sign, x square plus 3x minus 1, and differentiate this, that is a 1, by x plus 2 whole square. Okay, now we need to do little bit of more simplification. 2x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 6 minus x square minus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2 whole square. Now that is equal to, I can see one x square, and I can see 7x, I can see plus 4x plus 7 by x plus 2 whole square. Okay, so this is the answer. So I have taken one algebraic one. Okay, one I took exponential, one I took logarithmic also. Okay, so these are not a big problem if you understand the formula. Let's see the next sum. The next sum will have some roots. Okay, so I have taken this sum so that you all find roots also easy. Root a plus x, root x, and root a minus root x. Dy by dx is, now we'll first write the v. Okay, just copy without thinking, and this is a constant, so it is having 0 differentiation, and 1 by 2 root x minus, now copy the u, and now differentiate this, where it becomes minus, then root x, this becomes 1 by 2 root x. Okay, by root a minus root x whole square. That gives us, now we need to work on this further. We need to work on this. That gives us root a by 2 root x minus half minus, this is minus half root x, and here root a minus 1 by 2, which is equal to, okay, so here I can see that by the denominator is root a minus root x whole square. Now I can see that if I add this with this, I will get a 2 root a by 2 root x, and minus half and plus half cancels. Okay, so finally I can write this one as, I can write it as 2 root a by 2 root x, because this one and this one is cancelled. Okay, and root a minus root x whole square. Okay, which is equal to root a by root x, root a minus root x whole square. Okay, that means the 2 is also cancelled and we get a final answer. Okay, let's see the next question. The next question is going to be a trigonometric one. Y is equal to sec x minus tan x and sec x plus tan x. Sec x plus tan x. Okay, dy by dx is, so we have this as u by v clearly. So we'll first write the denominator, and we will differentiate the numerator, which is sec x is sec x tan x minus sec square x. Okay, now we will put a minus sign. We will write sec x plus tan x, that is we are writing the sec x minus tan x, sorry. We are writing the numerator and then differentiating this sec x tan x minus sec square x. We are differentiating this, so plus, okay, and by sec x plus tan x whole square, which is equal to, we can do something, we can take a sec x common from here. Okay, if we take a sec x common, then, and we can take a sec x common from here. So if we take sec x plus tan x common, then we have sec x tan x minus sec square x. Okay, and here we have minus this sec x that was remaining here, minus sec square x, and this is plus tan x sec square x, bracket closed. Okay, so plus tan x and sec x, not sec square x. Okay, now we can see here by sec x plus tan x whole square. Now one of the sec x and tan x is going to cancel, and here we are going to get 2 sec x tan x minus sec square x, and here sec x plus tan x. Okay, now from here too we can extract one sec x, 2 sec x and tan x minus sec x and tan x plus sec x. That is our final answer. Okay, we can't proceed any further. So that was our u by v. So that is it for this video. So We did the quotient theorem here, quotient formula here. So you'll get sums like this. On seeing it, you'll have to recognize what type of question it is. Is it UV? Is it plain differentiation? Or is it U by V? Okay. So we have two more types left. Those will come in two different videos. So that's it for today. Thanks all of you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye then.